Who knew that the humble apple, a fruit we all love, contains a universe of wonders beneath its shiny skin? Embarking on this extraordinary journey, our apple adventure, we discover not just the joy of its crisp, juicy flavor, but dive into the very essence of what makes an apple. Beyond their tantalizing taste, apples are nutrient powerhouses, each bite fueling our bodies with essential vitamins. The tale of the apple, rich and diverse, spans from the vibrant greens of Granny Smith to the deep reds of Fuji, each variety with its unique story and taste. As we explore the world of apples, their growth, diversity, and health benefits, get ready, young explorers, for an intriguing voyage that promises to reveal the amazing secrets of these delightful fruits. Continuing our apple odyssey, every apple's journey, much like our adventure, begins with a humble seed. Planted in fertile soil, nurtured by sunlight and water, this seed undergoes a remarkable transformation. Our tiny hero evolves into a stout sapling and eventually a tree adorned with blossoms that herald the coming of fruit. Apples, like the characters in our story, vary marvelously from tart Granny Smiths to sweet Fujis, each kind offering a unique flavor journey. As we conclude this segment, remember each apple encapsulates a story of transformation, nurtured by time and care. Our exploration now pivots towards understanding the specific qualities that make each apple type special and how they contribute to our health. The adventure deepens as we uncover more about these fruits that intertwine with our well-being. Ever wondered why an apple is more than just a delicious snack? Let's unravel the benefits packed in every bite that enhance our health and vitality. Rich in vitamins like C for immunity and K for bone health, apples are also fiber heroes, promoting digestion and sustaining satisfaction. These fruits support heart health and deliver steady energy, setting them apart from sugary alternatives as nature's energy boosts. Here are some intriguing apple insights. Over 7,500 varieties are cultivated globally, and a single tree can produce up to 400 apples annually. Such abundance exemplifies not only the nutritional value, but also the vast diversity within the apple family. Each time you enjoy this fruit, you're embarking on a nutritious adventure. So let's continue munching, exploring, and learning about the remarkable world of food that enriches our lives in the most delicious ways.